Hi everyone, in this video we are going to make this beautiful planter. Now cut it, mark it, and we are going to make these beautiful petal shape on the top of it using marker. Now cut it using a cutter like this. Look at the details, cut it like we are doing here. Remove the extra parts. Now we are cutting the petal shape, make multiple cuts on it as well and give it shape using this lighter. We are using fire. Now bend all of them and paste like we are doing here. Make holes on the top and bottom. Paste these beautiful red beads and look, your planter is ready. Look at this beautiful flower planter. Let's make it. So mark lines on it using marker. Here we are going to add more details like this. We are drawing these flower patterns. Now cut all of them using this cutter like this. Cut it. Now we are going to make flower shape. Then again we are going to make more flowers. So from the other piece of the jar we are going to draw the flower on the top of it using black marker like this. Cut it. Make these various shapes. Now bend all of them using fire like we're doing here. Now take a straw, make multiple cuts on it as well, roll it. Now we're going to make a mini flower, paste it at the center. Similar way we are going to paste all those flowers together and make this beautiful large flower, and then we're going to put it on the jar like we're doing here. Fill it with plant and look, your beautiful planter is ready. Make hole at the base as well. In this video, we're going to make this beautiful elephant planter. Look how cute this is looking. So take this empty jar, mark lines on it. Look at the lines. We are drawing the face of the elephant as well using black marker. And look, we are going to cut these 3 centimeter cuts using a cutter. Here we are making the legs of the elephant like this. Then we are going to make the tail and trunk on this jar. Remove it. We are also cutting these ears and paste it around it. Paste a beautiful flower. Now make a hole like this and put it on the top of the head and fill it with plants and soil, and look, your planters are ready. We're going to make this planter using empty bottle. So take empty bottle, mark lines on it and then cut circle using the bottle cap. Now we're going to cut it using a cutter like this. Take a sharp cutter and start cutting it like we're doing here. After this we're going to remove the base as well. Put the bottle cap on the base and cut it as well like this. Then we are going to make a hole and look, it's done. Put the planter on the top of it. Close the lid like this. Draw flowers on it as well, make a hole, and look, your beautiful planter is ready. Look at this beautiful plant pot. Let's make it using empty jars. So mark line on it using black marker. Here we are also drawing more patterns for decorations. Look, it's done. Now we are going to cut it using this cutter. Take a sharp cutter and start cutting it on the boundary of the marker. Remove it. Make a flower. So draw this circle on another piece and draw this flower using this marker. Cut it. Now we are going to make all the flowers and put all of them together. Make more such flowers and paste randomly on the jar, and look, it's done. In this video, we are going to make this beautiful flower. So take this green empty bottle, make multiple cuts on it, spread it, give it shape using fire. Now we are going to make 2 such shapes and put all of them together. Take the base of the cup, make a hole like this and put the flower like we are doing here. Close the lid. Now take these colorful straws, cut it. Now we are going to give it a shape of flower petal. So we are going to make more such petals, cut it, and we are going to roll it like this. Curve it using the scissors, paste all of them together like we are doing here. Make more such colorful flowers and put all of them on the planter like this, and look, your flower pot is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.